Let's see what everyone else is up to. Frank, you didn't sleep last night?
No, I didn't. I had no electricity, but I did fix the Wi-Fi like around 3:30 in the morning.
Are you sure? Alright, so we're renting some scooters here, and we're gonna head out. Where are we going?
We're going to Banana Bungalow first to introduce you to the hippie community.
Sweet.
And then maybe we'll go hike up the Fancy Island.
And get some money and see what the heck's going on. Maybe visit Gene and them. Sweet. So we've rented some scooters here.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
I'm pretty good at street first. Kickstand up.
Yeah, the leg one.
Yep.
Okay. Where are we going? Woo! It's fun. How's it going? Woo! Oh, are they coming? I don't even have a license. Frickin' Krabi, dude. Beautiful. Oh wow. That was fast. I almost went over the ditch. Sweet. How was it? Dude, that was fun as hell.
I don't know. I know we have all of this. I don't know if I do that.
How's it going? Oh, this pool looks really nice.
What's that?
How's it going? You guys been swimming at all?
Not really, actually. We're thinking like today we'll show.
Alright, so we scooted on over to the other place, and I think I might do some flips now.
Alrighty, so I'm here with Parkour Steven.
Hello!
Guess what he does?
Yeah.
You know, he does awesome flips and stuff. Alright, do you want to do some flippity doo-dahs onto the pool, or?
Tell me to calm down. Look all around us here. Fall. It's easy to see from down here.
He's doing it.
I'm not swinging down the wall.
Yeah, so dope. Oh my gosh.
Maybe I'll teach you sometime.
Yeah, yeah.
Caught before and falling for an all.
Steven, now show us how it's done. What are you thinking, man?
It's hot.
Woohoo! That was epic. That was pretty much like the one I did, wasn't it? That was almost the same. I think you just copied my moves, Steven.
Isn't it obvious?
You can jump in?
Yeah, I need you to teach me a trick.
Sweet. Alright, Jane's gonna try a backflip 360. I just taught
do
him.
a backflip and then punch my shoulder.
Yeah.
Don't punch it too hard.
Just like this, huh?
In the hands of authority now.
Nice.
That worked.
Yeah.
I got like 60% of the way there.
Alright, got hurt. That's way better than most people's first try.
I like how you explained it. Just punch yourself in the shoulder. Kind of makes sense.
Yeah.
Didn't work. But makes sense.
Have you ever done a kick the moon before?
No, it's not.
This should be easy to learn from a backflip. Basically, it's just a backflip, but you jump off one foot and go this way.
Here, Show us.
I believe in you. I'm pretty sure you could do this.
Oh, this is slippery.
Safety first.
All right, here we go. Here, look.
There goes nothing. Go.
Woo! That was perfect. Except for the landing.
Yeah.
Nice. That's it though.
I think I'm done for now. I got it enough.
First try. Look at this guy. This is crazy.
me with the answer.
Anyways, just taught Gene like a kick the moon, some other stuff. We're all just chilling by the pool, having a good time, except for Ralph. And now we're gonna head out to food and or money.
It's a terrible idea.
We're about to get some gas. And yeah, Steven's ahead of me. They're pretty far behind me. Oh, they're there. Hey guys! Woo, look at that. Did he go right or left?
I don't know.
Probably left, yeah. New territory. Yeah, so yeah, we're basically all out of gas when we got these scooters, so we're trying to find a gas station before they run out. So hopefully we can do that. Whew. Off-roading a little bit. Yeah, I don't know where they are. They're behind us somewhere.
Dude.
Yeah, this is crazy. Look at that.
So dope.
Damn. I can't believe I'm here right now riding a scooter illegally through a new land. How was it?
That little bumpiness?
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Nice. Speeding through, Ralph?
I'm turning this thing on.
Just gonna roll down the hill. No acceleration. Whee! Gotta love physics. Look at that view! I'm trying to stand up so my GoPro can see. Ooh, look at that mountain! Oh my god! Faster! Woo! Woo! Oh my goodness! Look at it! Look at it! Oh my god! They made it. Just darting across traffic. It's fine. It's chill. What's that?
I have no idea.
This view is crazy, right? Where's the gas though?
Even asked the local, is this a gas station right here on the map, on my phone? They're like, yep, that's one. Well, that's where the gas station's supposed to be.
Think we should just yell out gasoline?
9 minutes that way for sure, according to Google Maps. Well, you know, Google Maps also said that there was something here, so a lot of good that to this.
The gas station.
But maybe there's something that's not marked on the map back there in town.
Ralph, how do you feel about our situation?
I feel like
You know what doesn't look hardcore?
I don't know how I feel actually.
Me riding this little gas scooter
Yeah, dude, our rides are sick. We got
for today.
Frankie's, mascara pink. Mine's named Lucy. This is the scooter you want. Nice little pink Honda. It even says racing on it, so you know it's legit. Look how wide Ralph's face looks.
I don't know if I like that. You're real close right now.
I know. All right, so we're gonna head out like Boy Scouts now, in the reverse direction. This way, I guess. Going back where we came from. Because who does not like regression?
You gotta say where is gas. But
Yeah,
how it is.
But even if I say where,
Exactly. Register.
yeah, especially if they're moving 30.
Right.
Gas station. Gasoline. Yes. Okay. The below.
Right there?
The below lights. Okay. No.
Oh, that way. This way. Petrol. Now this? Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fuck, dude. Don't hit me. Alright. Got directions from the local, and I guess the gas station is the third direction that we can travel now. Chill. It's cool. It's fun. Woo. Found it. Now we're talking. Praise the Lord. There you go. What?
Dude, that guy ran into you.
The people aren't supposed to be passing you when you're turning. At least in America, I don't know.
You can say that when you get hit though, like.
I see the car coming, and I don't see you like looking at the mirror, and I was like, oh, here it is, man.
Can someone help me?
It's fine.
Freaking vehicle.
So you're saying I almost got T-boned?
Oh, big time,
Yo, beyond that, man.
dude. Big time.
Yeah.
Big time.
Well, I guess I'll review the footage and see how close I came to dying. But our scooters also came pretty close to dying. But we made it to the gas station. See that transition? It's pretty good. The pink mobile will not die today.
Exactly where, but there. Yeah, okay, that's cool.
Sweet. So I guess we're heading to Krabi proper. See what happens when we get there. So things don't always go as you plan. Hey guys. We managed to meet up with some other guys, but lost Steven along the way. Banks cancel your card and how was it? You end up too late to the beach to catch everyone else. But the street food's always good. And you got some lemon tea. How is it? And the drinks. And the waves always manage to sound the same, no matter how much noise is in between the crash. And people are still people. And the world is still beautiful. I'm not gonna lie to you. Right now, it's been 5 weeks since I left Thailand. And I'm on crutches. This is not where I thought I'd be. You'll see why I'm here tomorrow, but I don't regret anything. Because in all that chaos of almost running out of gas and driving all throughout the island that day, there was a moment of peace. And peace and water just seem to come hand in hand. And everyone's enjoying it in their own little way. It was really beautiful to watch. So, for day 2 in Krabi, yet another amazing sunset and great adventures. At the end of the day, it was little things that made it. The joy and freedom of being able to drive yourself around again. just freedom, I guess. And the fact that I got to come here was incredible. And yeah, the big adventure would start tomorrow with all the island hopping, but I was absolutely fine. Just resting in the peace of the sunset. And laughing at Ralph like always. Oh, that guy's funny. But yeah, thanks for watching till now. Sometimes I forget who I am, but I never change. Adventures out there, guys. Don't let it wait for you. Go find it. Now's your shot.
One me, one you, one truth.
Was that awesome?
Yeah, how was it? How was it?
They came out good.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, beautiful girls.
We're not, you hear that, guys? We're not beautiful enough for Frank to take pictures
Yeah,
of.
we are not beautiful.
You freaking bastard. Shut up.
Wait, you're drinking coconut juice out of the coconut? Coconut in a bag? Would recommend. Spicy larb. Does anyone actually know what larb is?
You don't know what that is?
It's been a good full day. We met up with the guys at dinner, and now riding scooters was insanely fun. We explored the town and like this whole like peninsula a lot. And now we're back at the villa at PotatoJet and Friends Place. And currently, Clement and Jean are teaching Ralph how to swim in the pool. So that's pretty fun. As you can see. But tomorrow's when we're going to do like all the insane stuff. We are going on a boat exploring 4 different islands and beaches, and it's going to be insane. Tons of drone footage. Maybe I can go on a joyride in the morning on the scooter, see how fast I can go before we take off, because we're not going to the islands till noon to catch the sunset. So see you guys tomorrow.